Advice and information from the experts. This is Ask the Expert. Here's Rob Carnie.
Ask the Expert on the air today with Greg Marcyniuk from Heritage Insurance. We're practicing proper protocol here, social distancing, and doing Ask the Expert on the telephone today. And looking forward to happier times today. Greg, we're talking about cabins. We're talking about the lake on Ask the Expert.
That's right. Rob, spring is sprung, and it's time to clean the cabin. And I know a lot of us do dread that spring cleanup, but you know what? It doesn't take a lot of time to do the scrubbing, and then you can do some hot tubbing. So what I do, I know myself, inspect the deck boards that you have out there, because bare feet on splintered decks are no fun at all. And just give her a quick wash and make sure they're good and clear and clean of any splinters. The other thing then is clean your deck. I know most decks, if they're like mine, during the summer we do a lot of eating and cooking, and you get a lot of areas that have those elements that are exposed to that, and it's just a recipe for moss, mold, and mildew. So mix up some good cleaning to get her cleaned up with some bleach. And the other thing is clean your outdoor furniture. I know no one wants to sit on any filthy, moldy outdoor furniture. And I always clean the exterior of our place, get rid of those cobwebs, bird droppings, and remove any of the dirt and stains from mildew and mold there with either a garden hose. I know I use my pressure washer, just don't have it on high pressure. And the other thing, when you're cleaning your windows, I have found rather than using some of that blue stuff in a cloth, I just mix some detergent, a bit of vinegar, and scrub it, and then use a squeegee. You don't see professionals using anything else but that, and it does a great job. The other thing you want to do is inspect your gutters and remove any debris that may have collected over the winter, and make sure that you ensure your downspouts aren't clogged either. And another good thing is inspect your roof. Just take a look and see if there's any damaged or missing shingles. And before you actually clean those gutters, make sure there's not a lot of asphalt down there. So that'll show you there's some wear there. And any fallen branches around there, just clean that up. And as well, I always take that time of year to sit clean in and around your fire pit. If there's any wood around there, trim it so it doesn't become a fire hazard. And as well, you want to check your barbecue. Make sure there's no cracks on the gas hose, and just clean it up and get it ready. And when that's done, well, now you got to deal with the inside. But I'd say grab a drink and fire up the barbecue, enjoy the outdoor spaces, because you'll be isolated, and what a way to get away from the chaos.
Yeah, hey, that's good advice for not just people who have cabins, but around the home and around the garage, too. And something else we've talked about before and Ask the Expert, the fact is a lot of people are wearing masks these days to protect against the coronavirus, COVID-19. But we've also talked about the fact if there's any evidence of mouse droppings in the garage or around the house, you need to wear a mask when you're cleaning that up.
That's right. If you can get it, I would certainly recommend that, because you don't want that antivirus at all. So great idea, Rob.
And these helpful tips are available online.
That's correct. You can reach out either via phone, and we can email this off to you, or go directly to heritageinsurance.ca.
This has been Ask the Expert, your source for expert advice and information.